Hey hooligans, welcome back. So in the last video we really just got an animation to be played by using a button, and so hopefully if you were able to follow, you're able to get your character in game, do a button activated animation. This is the first in several videos I'm going to do to get you moving your hooligan around within Unreal so that you can drop environments in and have your hooligan sort of run around in there. So as you can see, this hooligan is in idle, and I have my gamepad here, and I'm moving around. And so this is where it gets kind of fun. You can start to get your hooligan to sort of move through the game, move through your environments. Again, what's cool about this is the ability to get your hooligan into an environment and able to kind of move around and do some animation. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to make this video relatively short because I'm really just going to focus on the first part of this, which is the input settings. And so if you go to Edit and Project Settings, and you look for Input. Now, in this case, I've already put everything in, and I've also created a image file that I will go ahead and attach to this video so that you can kind of copy this, and please copy this verbatim. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you also a cool tool called Blueprint UE, where you can cut and paste some of the blueprint commands into yours, so that in this case, I'll teach you a little bit about how to do this, but the important part is to try and get you up and running and do this, and then you can go back and sort of reverse engineer what we did. And so this video, I just want to focus on these axis mappings here. So what you're going to end up doing is creating axis mappings, and we're going to do it both for keyboard and for game controller. So you see this little icon here. These are axis mappings for move forward and backward. So W, S, and then the up, down. On the gamepad, it's the left thumbstick on your pad. Move right, move left. So these are the axis mappings. And you notice what's important here. Scale is -1 or 1. So that we're going to basically accomplish forward and backward in one axis mapping. So 1 forward, -1 backward. Same with up, down. Same with right, left. Turn right and turn left, same thing. This is the motion of moving the character to look in a particular direction, and then they'll move in that direction. I'm going to show you how that works within Unreal for you to be able to have the character going right, going left, and moving forward and backward. And then looking up and looking down as well. And so what I'd like you to do is take the image file that I have attached to this video, and here it is here, and go ahead and use that to create these axis mappings, and then we'll move on and we'll be able to go ahead and create the blueprint commands in your character, as well as the animation blueprint to drive this. So to refresh you, I have a pretty open game here. I haven't put really any anything in here but some steps, and I did that just so you could be able to kind of see moving and jumping up as we get into it. Also, for this tutorial here and the next couple videos, I'm going to go ahead and create, or I've already created, a new character, and that's for starting at the point of no animation whatsoever, so that I can kind of step you through it. And so what I'll do here is I'm going to go ahead and in the default game, I'm going to go ahead and let's see, Hooli game mode. When it starts, I'm going to have this new character pop in. So I'll use Hooli 4579 to come into the game right away. So let's go ahead and start, and you'll see what I mean here in just a second. There you go. So this is a new character blueprint that I created. It's Hooli 4579. If you don't know how to do that, you can go back and look at some of the videos on how to get your Hooli into a stage, into a game here. But this one is completely empty, and so when you look in my content folder here, I have 1830 and 4579. 1830 is that Hooli here. 4579 is this, and in the blueprints I have 1830 already built out. You saw that Hooli running in the game. So you have a blueprint class and an animation class. At 4579, we have nothing. We just have the Hooli character blueprint that was created. And there is, if you go into here, we're going to start taking a look at this event graph here. There's nothing in here right now. So I'll take you through sort of how you would get your Hooli animated and walking around your environment. Hopefully that helps. But for now, like I said, focus on just at the end of this video, I want you to be able to have these axis mappings put in here just as they are here with the right scale. Call them the same thing as well, because what you're going to do is copy and paste some blueprint stuff into your character blueprint and animation blueprint, and they're referenced as this here. So you can always change that down the road, but for now, to keep this really simple, name your axis mappings: move forward, backward, move right, left, turn right, left, gamepad, so on and so forth. So hopefully I can get that done pretty quickly, and I'll see you in the next video.